At Tor. Here. Hold on. Don't move. Video. Grab the phone. And take the pry bar and show where it's tearing.
You can see where it tore right there.
Yeah. Okay. Give it.
Here. I can't see.
Tear 2. Hold on. Okay. Got it.
Come out. Yeah, you're under the same sheet. There you go.
Tear 3. Hold on. Tear 3. Okay. Tear 4.
Look at the one below it tearing. You see that tear on the one below?
No, hold on.
That one right there.
Yeah, I got it.
Now the problem is nails on this bitch. It's steep.
Do you need to tie off?
No, my foot's on fire, is what I'm saying.
Oh.
Like,
Okay. All right. Now, before you grab the shingle, let me know because I'm resting on it so it won't fall. So,
what shingle is this?
I don't know, but
They're all so torn.
it helps if we get like a whole piece.
Trying to fire.
Tear 5.
God, I can't get under it.
Jeez.
Dude, okay, they push through. They're breaking through the.
Yeah.
So it's hard to find the nails.
Just pull it out and it's fine.
Yeah, just pull it at this point. It's just try to get it in one sheet so we can measure it all.
Be careful.
Very careful.
Here.
Either
There.
pull-
Yep.
I got the last one. I know where it's at.
Okay.
I see it now.
Okay. There we go. Just yank it.
Got more?
Yeah. My fucking legs are on fire.
Yeah. Hand it to me. Well. Okay. Give it. All right. Hold on. Let me get up.
No, you're good. You're out of the way.
Okay. Okay, good.
You need nails?
Yep.
Just let it. I don't care at this point.
Clavos y martillo.
Although, you might want to hand me that pry bar before you move too
Go
far.
ahead and show this right here.
Okay. Here, take it.
Shingle is about 2 to 3 inches longer than the existing shingle.
Okay. Got it. Lean down and grab me that pry bar
Yep.
so it doesn't fall on someone's head.
Good call. All right.
Just
Oh,
That's all right, I got more.
fucking kidding me. I just need one more. No, you're good. I got 3.
You got them?
Yeah, I got 3. Thank you. Put this between your legs right here, Tony.
that's what he said.
Hammer too. I just need to know I need a knife.
He's got to cut it.
I gotta cut
I
it.
got
It's too
one.
big.
I got it. Or he has it. Never mind. Ciao. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Hold on. Sorry, I was slipping there.
Couldn't get the nails out because the shingle was so jacked up.
It's a different exposure.
Yep. So we're just gonna leave it like this because it's a different exposure and it's just ripping even more when we try to do it. So without damaging more stuff.
Yeah. We do need to caulk it. Probably the ugliest repair we've done.
It's probably the scariest repair as well.
Yeah.
I'm scared to get over there. Just
Brandon, I'm going to buy you a harness and an ascender. I'm not even kidding. Cock it up and let's go.
Don't have any caulk. It's going to have to stay like that for now.
That's
Okay.
fine. I'll come back over here tomorrow.